Hi everyone and welcome back to 5 Minute Family Search. So now let's talk about sharing a batch, how you would do that and why you would do that. And I went over in the edited preferences just how to find where you would put in that information, but let's go a little bit deeper and show you how to do this. So I'm just on the Family Search blog and I'm going to come down and I thought we could just read this together so you could understand how to share a batch. So every batch you index could be different, and you may run into a specific question that you need to share with someone else. And if you are ever in this situation, you can share that batch with a friend, another indexer, arbitrator, which now we know that they're going to be called reviewers, someone from support, a local leader, or even on Facebook. The Share Batch feature can help you receive answers to batch specific questions, and by sharing the batch, you can collaborate with others to receive a better understanding of the problem and a solution. So that explains why you would want to share a batch so you can seek help. But let's come back over now to the page that we have been working on, and I'm going to show you where to put that information in. So do you remember we came down here to edit preferences and we clicked on this gear? So if we do that, we can say open shared batch. So let's show you where that number is. If you come here, it tells you the title of the batch that you're working on. And down here, it gives you MM9M7ZP. This would be what you would give somebody else. And you would give them that number, and they would go ahead and they would plug it in right here on open shared batch. And so if they did that, they would click open and they would be able to pull open the batch that you're working on, and you could sit down and talk it through, and they could give you pointers or maybe explain things to you and answer questions that you may have. And that's good because in the past, if you get really stuck, sometimes you just get frustrated and you send the batch back and it goes back and it's partially done. But this way, you can have somebody help you and you can sit down and go over the record together and be able to finish out the batch, and they can answer your questions.